Yo, what's up? What happened? So, for some few weeks, Benin the trend for social media. Charlie, where it come up from, where it go, then when it go end, I don't know. Check like, from what I see, that the research and things, you know, then tag Benin like the hub of voodoo. Yo, like sakawa, fraud and things. Me, I hear say, if you come, then voodoo and things, you know, yo, for the voter there, the north there, you go feel enter there and things, then to them wow. But what will they see there? They won't talk say mankota manko no. Like everything for the spiritual things inside, no, they get bosses and things. So today we can't talk about sakawa. I know this should be kind of like very entertaining, fun and things, but hey, you don't go fit take the educational aspect of it out. Yeah. Right now, a day Bosphorus for the Laboni inside there, no. And they can't chat plus some man be way, Charlie. If you count the streets inside there, it be king, it be God. Anyways, my name is M0ney, and this is the show, Your Mind for Day. I don't know. Bosu, that be the title.
Yeah.
As a title, that be the. I do movies as a title. That be the tag. Give the show Your Mind for Day.
Your Mind for Day. That one for Mind for Day.
Yeah. See, as a man, they for be conscious. Like everything they do, be no. For no say.
Your Mind for Day.
Your mind. You make fresh.
Thank you. I need to make fresh.
Hey, I know say what my director did. I know say you go wear suit and car, get some suit before they like I go welcome.
Today I make gentle. I will bring my kente self, give you, rock you the baddest African level.
Hey, you like African wear?
I believe in African wear, man. Because I'm an African. I always have to believe in my culture, appreciate and be proud of it.
Yeah.
Anywhere I go.
I feel you.
But today they are for just rock something because
I feel. Where you
I don't know how to
well?
show.
You welcome well, Charlie. Everything cool.
Everything nice.
You don't get tags and things. I mean, it is everywhere say now. Like I say, you be born again. Like, but you know, you still need to get tags and things. Say you Abusuah there, Charlie. The thing something they under like.
Oh, that one there for real. I be madman. He mad before where then take him go as Saran camp. Yeah. I mean, something small there.
So something small there.
You know there, but people in my mind inside no, they go to think about that one and say, about my guy, you should see the job be shown cry.
You know, say before I go do introduction then things self, no. Now we they have some small conversation. Where the kind of convo we they have, no. Sometimes myself I feel say something small day.
Oh, nothing there.
Nothing there.
I quit everything.
Yeah.
I give everything out. Yeah.
We they hear about fraud then sakawa. What be the difference between fraud then sakawa?
Fraud be the original name to the world.
Fraud be the come again?
Original name.
Okay.
Fraud. Everybody understand fraud.
Okay.
When you go dictionary, anywhere you go put fraud, everybody understand. But the sakawa be terms. It be terms we now those times we did Nima with the create. Okay. Like those times we started with the shopping, with the shop and things, with the buy perfume, with the buy sneakers.
So sakawa come from Ghana, Nima.
Yeah, that be the name. Charlie, I saka some shop, I saka some sneakers.
Okay.
Oh, I saka some perfume. That's where I started with. Where these our Kumasi people, the Ashanti people can't tag with sakawa.
Okay.
You see how it is. Our mothers and our fathers go talk say, you they do sakawa or how it is. But sakawa there, you know, see from Ghana. Okay. You know, the word is a fraud there. You know, say fraud. Everybody understand fraud. Okay. Well educated person, yeah, knows say fraud. It is fraud. You understand the meaning of fraud. Scam.
I feel you. Then times I hear say, oh, Charlie, boys they do sakawa, boys they do fraud and things, and they chat, they call clients for online and things. So when now I hear say. Most of the whites, no, they can't say, the blacks, they are into fraud and things. So not be, you don't go tap machine back then chat without say some spiritual songs to be, some spiritual backings be.
Oh, that one there be raw. We started on the street like we do shopping and things way back. Let me say 2003 that way. Okay. Now we do shopping. We be shopping we do.
Online shopping.
Online shopping and things on. So like 2004, 2005, well we can't get access to Yahoo. You see, you get access to Yahoo, you go fit get some white man, you talk to him. Oh, maybe I don't get parents, I don't get father, I don't get mother, and me and no a day African. She go feel sympathy or see that way some saying something small shifle.
Yeah.
Then you go do what? You go to keep them. So before we started, they can't know what they call dating sites.
Yeah.
What the dating site you go, you go feel post like a woman.
Okay.
Put a picture there like a woman. Where you go feel put a picture there like a man. But is woman go for give a man, a man to go for give woman. That be how we started it. You see. So you make lucky, you go feel go get some rich man, you get money. When you know say the white people so when they grow up, chop like 60, 70 going on. They know they like my wife again. They always want roll with the small girls. 20 years, 25, 27, 30 years. So the moment you put 25 years first get picture for them and then they start to rush you. That one the woman, man is see woman. What you want to show say he get he have there. I mean he go spot there.
What I want to know they say now they do them clean or they add some spiritual.
Oh, that one there, it be grades.
Okay.
I mean go China. We get high grade, when they get low grade. The fraud inside no. If one collect something like 1,000, 2,000, yeah, that one they be normal money.
1,000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah, no, $1,000.
Okay.
It be normal. You want enter the 100,000 go yeah. If that one they for go the chicken way, the far way.
If you kill
fowl. You want
that
enter
sacrifice,
maybe yeah the 500,000 go in there. That one if you enter maybe sheep inside 1 million if you go the car way. But you want enter 2-3 million there if you go the human way.
Okay. Well, obviously you go the human way. So if you get money they be, money they jump.
Oh yeah, that
if you get there, you go there, you go talk to chicken or anything.
I mean, you say the fresh guest so now it be money.
Before I go talk about the women self, hey, they want you. But I see something for the tabletop.
Yeah.
Me, I the vibe plus some juice where you suck water. Why? What's up?
You
know why they ask you? You be spiritual person. Like you they see things from the spiritual aspect.
Yeah.
So I don't know why they can't suck water. Where me they can't suck juice. Me so
oh no, me I get my drink. I can't with my drink. I get my personal drink at the drink. Anywhere I go, anywhere in the world I go, I get my drink. Yeah, but as I come here, your director asked me, so what I would take, once I get my drink. Well, they say they need to take alcohol for you, so I just relax.
Yeah.
So make I take water, that be all.
So if you not be that drink, you not go drink anything that you.
I don't go drink anything.
What that drink they do give you?
Oh, that drink was specially made for carbohydrate people. People that chop carbohydrate food. I don't want to talk about that. I do some adverts and things. I don't want to talk about that.
Yeah,
the spiritual thing. Men, they get spiritual marriage issue. Women, they get spiritual marriage issue. Then things. That be my drink. Especially made for those people.
Thank you. I bet if you see this, I advertise something small. If you see this, this one, we all be there inside. If you see this, it not be water. Yeah. Be hand sanitizer. My director be strict for the anything stop. He say I made them know. Say corona there, it can't stay plus week. You go use them, or this one you not go use.
Me too, I get my
one
for you.
Why say everything there you get special things?
Oh no, so I did. I get my own for you.
Hey, Abusuah. You brand your body.
How I go do wrong?
You use the hand sanitizer for your body. For the shadow top.
It be perfume at the same time.
It be perfume
at the same time.
I see. I see. Now back to the woman matter. Aside peer pressure and things, I go fit talk say women actually they give pressure when it comes to this sakawa and things.
Yeah, I mean no say as you be young guy there. Boys always they want show off. Boys won't live life. You understand? I remember say as I left school, come house, when my party come visit me. That time be Opé Astra. Well, I say my guy, how you buy the Opé Astra? I say, share, some level can you did. I say, we will do shopping and things, we get small coins, we think say with your guy, you buy Opé Astra. So they for show me the level.
Yeah.
You see, that moment, my guy, I make what? The whole night I no sleep. My eye make red.
I forget the car song.
Because that time, if we go this time, old school union. Charlie boys not get car. You go see that I be there, popping in car and things, then you too money no day house. So how am I go fit buy car? So any ways of me, my guy, I for enter there too. Know what they go on for there. You see, you go enter. You go try do something.
Yeah.
Because The fine baby, you won't chop some.
Yeah.
The fresh that you won't wear some. You won't make the mention your name for everywhere.
I feel you.
They don't.
Yeah.
I be back what at the top. Yeah. So no matter what, the game there, you will enter. Oh. Wherever money day, boys day there.
Yeah.
And wherever money day to women's day there.
Even so.
Hey, we are living in this world with money. Without money, you are nobody. Who knows you? Who will call your name? Who will even see them greet you?
Charlie. I feel you.
Who will see them greet you?
I feel you.
So the game is start with pressure. If the pressure is start, when you know so Ghana here to we a country like Ghana, the poverty be more than 90%. It be 90%.
Yeah,
I tell you.
Yeah.
The poverty be 90% flat. 90%. How you go do
somebody go talk say if you come the fraud and sakawa there, hustlers with they go into them things. But do you think say it be only guys who they come up from poor homes who they enter the game inside?
Right now the sakawa the rich guys from the rich home or they are into it.
More money.
But the moment your IQ they go, your papi money no be your money. Your mommy money no be your money. The only thing people go fit do is say go fit give you 1,000 Ghana, 2,000, go chill. But you there you won't push J-Wagon. You won't push some heavy ride. Machine cost more than $200,000 US dollars. Where your old boy go fit buy that car give himself. How many go buy give you? So any ways of me, your nigga they do that job where he teach you small. My guy, you go enter. You go enter. Nothing go make you say make you stop.
Okay.
Nothing go push you back, say make you no do. So right now the rich kids all they are into it. Everybody.
Let's talk about Benin. Recently, Benin the trend for social media. Nobody say Benin not day. Benin day that. I mean, when they hear sakawa, boys they sleep for caskets inside. Boys they chop things. What they make Benin so different? What day the Benin there?
I remember say 2009 that way. I catch some client like that. The client get money. The woman get money to the extent say when I'm talking to her, I talk to her then she dey count dollar. Count dollar. I make wow, this woman don't want to give me money. So what I would do? I think I'm going north that way. I get some spiritual father for that man to be tough. But the man tell me say this job there you no go fit because the woman did some serious occultic group inside where be member. You ever hear free agent before?
Free agents?
Free agents.
I think I hear something.
Yeah, they get free agent, they get freelance, they get freemason. They are all free. They be some occultic group day.
So the clients where boys they chat self, some of the clients self, on what been that?
They kill the boys all the times, you know. So the man tell me say unless he gets some godfather for Benin, they call some place click off. They call some place click off. What tell the man say I will go? He said no, if I go, can I say no, I will go plus you because me that you work for more than 4 years. Why you don't trust me? Bro, the place we go there, we cross like 2 rivers before we reach the village. As we reach there, I thank God for my life. They get my special language that they speak. Me, I don't hear anything. They know they hear English, they don't hear anything. If in that place, I go sleep for coffee inside for the first time.
You sleep for coffee inside?
Yeah, for bed inside. Yeah. You won't take £2 million, you don't go sleep for coffee inside.
So you sleep for coffee inside?
If for bed inside.
If the option then give you or that you not get choice?
For bed inside, you do things. So if I pick my phone and then I call you, say, talk to you, the white people are power for enter through your...
Make I ask this question. The coffin then things, we hear coffin for sleep coffin inside. What has coffin got to do with power? Because I know say coffin inside is for dead people. Yeah. You understand? So you want make things manifest. What has coffin got to do with power?
Well, the white woman or the white man, they can't take him on, you know. She get power. You understand? What the power she gets, you know. If that power, if they control him, if they make she also the see things, you don't go fit do what? She don't go fit send the money you want because you don't say it's the job. So I forget power, he pass in power where you go fit control him. Tell him say, everything I will ask them, she go bring her.
So this one, not be say they go take something, no. You they obey on.
Yeah.
You dey bust your body and
Yeah.
So after that, you yourself, you go tell small God.
I be that one there.
That
for
be how
you.
people they take get witchcraft and things, you know.
You go the devil in house, you no want join, you no want join.
Then you go start the CC things.
You go start the CC things. That be how it dey.
Tell me about the sleeping in the casket. How many days?
So as I read there, no, when my mom tell me say we for sleep, the next day we go see the man. Okay, the next day we enter room inside, nobody there the room there. So we did there, no. Come on, some towel for that. He said the man did there. I said, how the man can do? They said the man they lost. I said, hey, my last stop. You want me to make quad, you know? Yeah, the man for me come. So the man to access the white woman, I will tell you, the white woman did some occultic this inside. We need permission from India. We go have permission from India.
Ah, Lord God.
We need permission. The permissions are going to take almost 1 week. So the 1 week, you know, that 1 week or every night, if you go sleep, if you bury the coffee inside, the morning you know wake up.
Then they cover the coffin.
Oh, you know, go lie inside and cover them.
You dey feel breathe.
Oh, bro, I go do them. Small time, I know that they push go up. You get small head, then bring them down. You make what for the money, oh. Forget about you. The die, you go die. Forget about the money you they want. Anyhow, the money go come. That be how you imagine, you think. At that moment you did then, you are thinking about some machine you come and they can't buy, some things they can't do. At the talk of 2009, 2010, Benin come no be now. Click or come no be now. So as I see for social media, and TV said the funny, I say,
You been there and done that.
Oh, they did that. They won't take permission come. What the man tell me say, the woman go give the money. But when the woman give the money, the woman go die. Because the woman that she go take revenge.
So if you go kill the woman.
If you don't know for kill her, they can't for die. The money is how much you pay. It's not pay like almost 1.2 million now when you start the toss stage, you know the full world. When we now saw say the level don't catch up that. The last consignment she did when she collapsed.
They can't send the money or she send
the last consignment 800,000 pounds. She did bank was collapsed.
This one you kill human being.
How you go do am? I be not kill for Ghana here.
No.
Oyibo things.
No, if you kill Oyibo,
it don't be me I kill him.
But you know.
It don't be me I kill him. See. If a robber come, you're there. Anyhow you go do. Collect you go do. Whether if you close your back, make it also be free, you will close your back. It don't be me a killer.
This client, this woman, where spirits for communicate for the realm inside and things, made the woman give you the money after that the woman died. You go through any other wicked movement, wicked process apart from this one. You see things.
Oh, Tuesday you go see things.
Aside this particular one, you go, is it Clico, Benin? Yeah. Aside this particular one, what again when you see where challenge you now over you?
Oh, that one there, the one over me be 2014. That time I saw the job. But I don't know if you sleep. Anytime I go close my eye, there are more than white people they chase me with guns and things. Just say I don't know if you sleep. That be when man.
You see white people they chase you.
Yeah.
You don't say your own good.
Why?
Hey, we blacks, if they lie down, we wanna grandparents and things.
But we will the first things so. Me don't start if I buy cars, I don't know if you push. My boys they push my car. You know, since I did my car, my customer Abusuah day inside. Be once a while you go see me. You got always before they follow the rules. You check like they occurred inside. Because the moment you reach some level for the game inside that, you can't tell chairman that.
Yeah.
Because every job they go bring them if you collect. Those time we control the region or Accra, Kumasi, Takoradi, Sunya, Volta region.
If you say they control the region, do you mean spiritually or the streets?
Spiritually, then the street will they control there. Because the job you don't go fit do, no. Me I go fit do make the client bring the money.
So which means sometimes they catch where now you see things, where you hear things.
Oh, still at the see things. I feel when I day here. My guardian you go fit can tell me say we can move right now. I go fit move. You don't go yesterday by a day.
You go left the set stop, you just go move.
Yeah, as I come, you know how they come here. You first can watch here, do everything before me I go step here.
If you say guardian angel, you they mean the angel I know God get angels where they send them. Or we get one of angels.
I work for karma now.
You were talking about the karma. You said you work for karma.
Yeah.
You said karma is an angel.
Yeah.
We know say if you do something, people they talk say, oh, karma is a B. Karma go do this. Karma go pay back and things. You told me say karma be angel. Where you are working for that particular angel. Give me insights. Tell me more.
You for us, what you want to know about karma? You know karma.
Who be karma?
Karma is an angel. Karma is a spirit that people know. People that know karma read about karma, the laws of karma on the internet and all this. But the real spirit is what I'm working with. The real karma me I dey work with. I dey talk to him, he dey talk to me, we dey hear each other. Things it can't happen in Ghana here, he dey tell me. Everything it can't happen. And even though if I know anything I want to know about you and your family, you will tell me. Because he was born before Adam and Eve was made, or they were created.
So can I say pastors they also work class this karma?
No, pastor, you know go work. The pastors they before and I don't go work with them. No. Majority of the Ghana pastor they work with these smaller gods, these dwarf and things, more child than they work with. But the karma me they work with, they the sky inside the angel. Okay. You know they down.
I don't want to go deep into this karma thing. I see say be a whole topic on this one.
Yeah.
I want to go quick commercial break here. But before that, I see say you wear my watch be one.
Yeah.
How many watches you wear?
I wear two.
You wear two watches.
Yeah.
Where you wear 2 rings for left, 2 rings for right. What now you want? With the time now you want check where you wear 2 wrist watches?
Yeah, okay, make I say 1 for the day, 1, 2 for the night. You will get 24 hours in a day. 12 hours for the mortals and 12 hours for the spirits. By this time, they are out.
The spirits are out.
They are out by this time. This is their time to also come out, enjoy, do everything. Early morning by 7, then go back to wherever they come from.
So, Abusuah, you check time give mortals, you check time give spirits.
If karma wants to talk to me right now, I know the time I have to leave.
Okay.
What time enough for the spiritual world? Walking through the war alone, no mother, no father, with the rebels and all those things. That whole thing all demons. So me, I don't fear anybody.
Nothing they make you they fear.
Nothing that amazes me in this world right now. Nothing that amazes me.
You know they fear say you go die safe.
Die? No. Because if man for die, I die a long time.
Okay.
The things I pass through in life, if I for die, I die a long time. So either one they make at the say God they love me.
Oh yeah.
So at least it is the time we also have to come together, preach about what we've been through, the dirty game we play, the dirty stuff we do, the baddest thing in life we do. What we say at the end, nothing good come out. But the result was to take us to our grave.
Yeah.
So man for change, they preach about it to the youth.
Yeah.
So Liberia, I was born and raised in Liberia.
Nice.
Before moving in Ghana, 1990, because of the war, I moved back. 97 to our day before the second war, I come back again. Since then, I just did one side.
But could come back to sakawa. I say when a woman they suffer, if it comes to this whole sakawa vibes and things, and they use them as sacrifice. They use some parts of their bodies. They use some things where then touch some things where they wear and things. Why women?
Well, I mean say you want catch fish. If you put fish for your hook in mouth before you go fit catch fish. Anything you concern about human being need to be part. Human part need to be part. Abi you bab. That's what talk say. If you want to collect big money from the white people, the person you want to collect the money from, most, make us say 90% of the white people, they get spirit, they protect them. Plenty of them get their own personal saints that they call brotherhood and join their things. So if you want to control them on your level, you have to seek a spiritual power. Powerful more than inside. So you can control them. You don't get that spiritual power, I know if you control am.
The money you dey get after going through this process, sleeping in the coffin, eating so many things and all that, I can say that money no be clean.
Yeah.
So the people that they chop the money plus are they safe?
Well, the truth is, you are not safe. You don't be safe. Because me, if I give you $20 million safe, that money no go last for hands. I know if you to do any business. So me, my family, I don't give them money. I go buy drink, give you. I go buy food, give you. But I say I will give you money, say take go work. It no go help you. The money no go do anything. It's better you go sweat, get original money. You get fake money or get original money. If you don't know, I'm telling you today. You get money that grow. The original money with the sweat. That's why they grow. But the fake money, they scam somebody, they take no. That one they like hey, they go, they pay, they just go, they come. How you go feel? You
so if you see fraud boy with drill control and things, we just spread the money, we could not blame him.
Oh,
that be how the money dey.
Any fraud boy, he buy mansion, he buy car, he will sell them before he die. It be two things. It's whether you go to prison or you die. The last one, you go mad. And when you go mad, your family go need money, take you go hospital. So what they go do? They go sell your property. So any money you make out of fraud, the wise people always make good money. They make the money out. Then they quit. Then they will go do corporate work. Find some good job. Then invest your money to it. That one say you go tire. Because the money no be clean money.
Yeah.
You go feel vanish anytime. Anything go feel happen.
I feel you. But we still talk about the women. I mean, this be boys show, but the women they love the watch one They learn. I mean, how boys
learn plenty things. Because if you woman they follow fraud boy, they are no say you not get future.
Wow.
You don't get future. You they follow drug dealer, you they follow fraudster, you don't get future. Because
you know say I don't catch you, but you know say it got to a point in life, woman go easily talk you say, oh, may boy no a fraud boy.
Because they don't know the implication or the outcome.
They don't know the implication. Okay.
They don't know what happen. I mean they don't know inside. Yeah. Plenty girls, you go reach sometime, they don't go feel born safe. Because the money they chop safe. Your boyfriend take your womb, go to exchange, you don't know. Abusuah come and you go come out 1,000 times. The time will come, you go leave you. You will go find somebody who go marry you. How you go born?
Sometimes you go see sakawa boy. You go see say this boy they not shall they be here. But a woman in there they walk they be especially light-skinned girls.
Yeah.
It be say if they walk plus one of the gods or
oh no. I mean say if monkeys or baboons was to be the richest people in the world, and I will not go they no go find one woman for yourself. But now that the woman was they bush inside, they tree top. Wherever money day. Money day like honey and ants. Wherever sugar day, ant day there. Women don't they care about your handsomeness, how you did it is. Make you know the bath 1 year yourself. We want to time you know the bath. Me my time those times you know the bath. You go bath for market. We want to time go bath for market.
You go market square then back.
Market night. I go park my car and I go bath for they can't do my cars and I go club.
Why they take the market to make them a favor or what?
That be how you did. That be how you are instructed to do. You will do. Back for market. So your spot everything do your car boots.
So the next day, I mean, people go to the market then go purchase foodstuff and things. Which means in this life, even if water self you go drink, if you pray for top.
I swear.
Make it not swear, but swear.
Oh, I swear.
Yeah.
If you pray for top, as you talk, if you pray for top. So that was definitely. We want to tell you the bath. If you go bath for market, that be hard and tell you. For bath for market, and you get time too. You go feed the club, I see a challenge today. Be this thing, I'm for go bath. I know where to go bath.
We dey hear stories say sakawa boys should sleep as mad women and things. How true is that?
That one will be for real, because the kind of client you want to take money from his side, maybe the person will help you make you take the money from the client, The spirit they want to make you go sleep with a mad woman. You don't get choice because you need the duty, you need the money.
So it be the kind of money you dey want, where it dey go plus the level of sacrifice.
Yes.
So it be the money, then the sacrifice.
You do what the gods want you to do before they will follow you.
So the first say, probably if me them, my director, Mr. Ben won't go do sakawa there. If they say, okay, you make a sleep as mad woman. You know they mean say me too, I go sleep as mad woman. You know they mean say me too, probably me too, my sacrifice will be different.
It depends. It depends your spirit. And it depends the kind of client you are controlling. Some client they be soft. As I talk, some too, then they under different brotherhood or cutting their things. Where you give them bill. You give them bill like $1 million, £1 million, €1 million euros. Where you want from the clients in there. You see, you know they bring the money. You go see spiritual father. Oh, me I go fit help you. Then you know what? Go chop your own sister then come. Your money will come. You go do. Some to the logo tell so they go take your puppy or they go take your father. With a young human being. Oh, I know if we get to. Okay, then we'll go see what we go do. You go get the money, you know, you come as now 1 month, 2 months, and mommy die. You go see plenty game boys. As they make camera, they might for me when my puppy die. They know what's up. They did the systems that plenty. We will know them all.
So
we will know them all. So happy so now.
Some did the system inside with the day industry, entertainment industry inside. Like, real tough sakawa boys with a day.
I be the money come right now. As the money come, no, you won't look smart, cover the face with a business. Like, you see House Papi?
Yeah.
House Papi, I talk about how last year, I say for day guard, they will arrest him. Because after month, he go dig inside. You see, so like they for look sharp, then cover your face with some real estate, some car movement and things. Those time I day inside, you meet, I will tell you I sell car because I get plenty cars.
Okay.
I dey run cars, I dey do this, I do that. But I get the better the lucrative business that they do where you don't know. Only me I know. In every business, your secret is your power.
For your interview inside, I watched some interview I think about a few years ago. You talk saying, then you said in the next 5 years, the bunch of the youth will start to die.
It will start very soon.
If you say it will start very soon, haven't we had enough? Last year and this year, bunch of the youth they died and things. So be that one be cocoa or what?
Oh, plenty will go mad. Where plenty to go die. Because right now the money they come like first again.
Okay.
I mean the white people today they change my level.
Yeah.
It's not about the computer level. You understand? But right now to the highest paid level to fake malams can do and things. When we know the original place, we know we carry you go there, we got me a show. If I be your chairman for more than 5 years, where when I saw the job, how you go to make money again? I'll be your godfather. Me, they bring the job come. Me, I set you up. Me, they bring the job come to me. When me, at the take, they give you percentage. Where today, I saw the job, how you go make up again? You go be town robber. You not town robber, you go do what you for not do. So that thing will lead you to your grave.
Abusuah, you mentor so many people on the street. Then times, king, God, mentor, champ. When now you show? When now for every interview, you the talk say make boys show. Why? The first thing you show, no, they mean say make somebody show. The first thing that say not help, they mean say, they help somebody or, people they use their money to do things, better things, people they take run them a movement. Why you the talk say make them show? What you see?
Fraud money, you don't go to take fraud money, do anything. Fraud money, you only cars the women go to church, they buy cars, they show off their things. But say, market 2 months say they sell tomato self, get level pass you fraud boy. Because the money what they make, if they collect for somewhere, if today that place closer, where you go get money from again? What business you get? You understand? What the place you go, where they help you collect the money from the white or the white man or the white man inside, that spirit, they pay respect to that spirit again. Some boys too they go back to go pay. Respect to. You collect money, you can't tell why the man say, oh, I will buy you car, I will buy you land, I will buy you house. The money come, you go to like trust, the money no come.
Okay. We dey see them things from movies inside, so it be true.
It true. Especially the voter raging girls, those voter girls. When you go them are there, then they won't work with you till. They don't want to make you go anywhere. So if you go voter in
they won't mentor you.
Yes, you go voter when you go chop your agbala and things, your money come out. Them every year, every month, I bet can't show appreciation. Goat or maybe cow or anything. But the boys, if they go, the money come out. Go in there, the way far, then get the energy to go. But when the money comes, the
energy not there.
The energy not there again. Oh, Charlie, I go tomorrow. Charlie, tonight I go do. You go see no, the money finish. The high spirit might not go settle down.
Then into whatever you want to do.
It you go say in God's come your top. When it goes to them come your top, if your life they go take. Or they go take your star. When they take your star too, and they go make money again in this world.
What do you mean by star?
Your star, every mortal gets star.
Okay.
Every mortal gets star. Without that star, you can't be famous. In the spiritual world, people get 10. Those that get more than 20, those that you Obama them, they must start day high.
How people they take people they must star?
Oh,
how you go feel protect your star? Say me a day here. I'm a TV person. How go feel protect my star?
You want to protect your star. It depends on how the family you from. Because majority of our homes, the gods they did there now. If our parents don't they give respect, honor to them, our star they take because every mortal be falling star. When you're a mortal, you did a celebrity right now. You did your family inside. You understand? You be star. You did your family inside. Any bad spirit for the family inside will feel close your shine or take your star. Where places for rich in life, you don't go feel rich. The kind of people that will come to you for advice, sort you, and they demand you. Promise and fail they come your way. How you go feel rich? Any movement you go do, they bounce. You go stay still like you did class 1. You go see no some small boy you there ahead of him. You go see the boy will come shoot.
Real.
Then he pass you. They go out and say, me I start this game, but this boy everybody gets star.
I feel you.
Without your star, you are nobody on this earth. And when you start to know day to the gays and the lesbians they buy star right now.
No doubt. No doubt about that.
Them be the richest spirit, the whole world. If you get IQ, you are born with a star. You are born with knowledge, with the IQ, with a big star. Then will come buy that star. You have to be part of them. Them that they want doctors, ministers, presidents, big people in a society. So as you did there, if your star be correct, any ways of me they will get you, they will get you. Then they see you, they see them.
So how?
Then they with you 247, no.
So how I go protect them? Is it by prayers?
By prayers. By prayers.
Not involving myself in all this sakawa things.
That is how you did. Because the moment you go medicine top,
you sell your soul.
You sell your soul.
I feel you.
You connect with the bad spirits. You connect with the vampires. You connect with them. They don't know no money, but they can give you money. And when you get the money to her, you always have to roll with them. Do what they want you to do. That's why if you join a cultic group and you try to come out, you get matter.
And so we did a show top. I chop pizza. My director can chop pizza. I suck juice. You don't chop anything. The water self you not suck.
I just suck the water
suck small.
The pizza they me I chop I can't blow so I quit.
At the bar.
I don't.
We with a scam no. If we get them, we don't joke plus some.
We want to turn, you know they plenty like that.
So by you they get them.
All the time we there, everybody they beg for themselves.
You marry?
Yeah, I get wife.
Then kiddies.
Yeah.
Your wife will fear you.
Oh.
Before that, you marry before you shone or as you shone the way you marry.
I mean, the job now we take star life. I go do I mean, I get the days. They know the job boys they do. They know the creative job boys they do, but they still fail. They still follow.
So your wife, no, not different. So the time you do the business inside.
As me, the business me a day inside. No, if I not tell you, you not go know. I be very secretive. You understand? Me, I get one place They one house in my office I dey go. They want get house at days. So you come my house everything be normal for them. You know go see I get PC for my house. So if I want go do my job, I get my place I dey go do my job. Then I come back to my real house.
This thing you dey talk, I want to make viewers know say it be 10 times.
It be 10 times, yeah. 10 times. Because one time I go visit some girl be like that. Now I dey drive Porsche Cayenne. So as I park the car, enter the house there, the girl puppy watch me. When he ask me, say, who are the search? What's the search, daughter? When he give me chair, where I sit. The girl can't wait, you go back. So me I think say the man there, he say a big boy come out there. So the man can ask me, say, what job I dey do? What so me I dey sell cars? When say me I dey sell cars, so I say yes. When me I get a capital for the sell, also my brother he dey sell the cars, when me I dey sell. Still like he was not convinced, say no. When the perfume in my body, how? So no say the man they know the man watch the car, the man plate now. He see Abusuah where he take. Count down some car as hard boys. There's some men when they say,
oh, hey, Charlie, that guy.
He be bad guy. They say this and this. So the next time I go there again, I buy bad things. They go give the girl like that. The security man see, say, Poppy say, make cannot come here again. See what I do. And they call the girl, the girl they pick my call.
They go and ask you.
She say, you don't gas. See, what I get to, I love him, I feel him.
Oh, Charlie.
I just spoil the God and things because of the girl.
Oh, Charlie.
By the way, the man can make quote to my top, One day the man come and say, you want to see me? We sit down, man to man, we could talk. We job and they do. When I start the lie, oh me, my brother will say, my friend don't lie to me. I'm told that you are a notorious fraudster. The word notorious is herself, See, say, my face Jimmy. You see, what if the business you do, if the normal boys, normal girls, they give you respect to, but the society know they respect you. The community know they see you say be anybody. Nobody they regard you. Only those who want to chop from your pocket. If them they go see, they go give you fans. Oh, boss Kena. Oh, don't back up. Oh, shatter. Kato.
The society they frown on such.
If you open shop self, if your own as a fraud boy, nobody go come buy for your day. I tell you something today. That's what the talk say. The fraud boy for Ghana they suffer.
What be freelance?
Oh, freelance be brother with the day, but them they don't come out too much like Freemason. Them when they are that freelance, free agent, Freemason. Them to the day now that they come out small. They don't appear for Africa yet. They Europe, the US, the UK. But only Freemason appear plenty the year Freemason. The other free brotherhood.
One other thing I want to know be spiritual loan. What is spiritual loan?
Spiritual loan be the money they take from somebody where the money no be your own, no be your sweat. It be spiritual loan because the spirit they convince the person where they send the money can't give you It be loan they give you that. They put curse on your generation.
Wow.
Yeah.
So the second one thing the two boys they do it not be say that they sacrifice them a body the thing so that they put them a whole generation at a risk.
Every mortal has a generation, man or woman, because you go born. You go bring kiddy for the world. You go tell old man. You go tell old woman. You know go born. You go born. So you put curse for it. That's why you go see some generation. Then they suffer. Nothing they go do. They go succeed. No matter education level the person get, he go set job. He no go get. No matter level he get, because that means the family is scarce.
So if one person is something.
One person is something you do.
Abusuah, I know you're about change. I mean, you've been through a lot where Charlie, you see, say, the thing, they help. Like you see things spiritually and all that. You see things where Charlie, bunch boys still did a game inside. Charlie, tell them something. They no say you know.
Oh,
some people, I should say some people they watch it, they see say, oh, this guy don't know what happened.
Oh,
like Charlie, make them know.
I mean, right now, the TV say. We now will trade plenty boys. See, we now will trade plenty boys for Accra. Where today right now, they say they be chairman. But we know the outcome. What will happen later? So they tell them say the little money they make in fraud, make them take do something better. always at the top say Nigeria Dangote was a scammer. He was a fraudster, biggest fraudster in Nigeria. But as he make money, you know, he quits. Where he invest into correct business, where rather he stay, they live life. Plenty of big men they Ghana, they into the business side. So the youth, and they beg them. Right now, no, the way the level go there, no, it's no more about cow and chicken again, no, and simple. It's all about blood, human blood. Because I can't Facebook and my name be blood.
I yes say now your number plates be blood.
Yeah, blood.
It still be blood.
Oh no, have you don't use that one again.
So now it be blood, no sake of blood, like you dey sacrifice human blood.
Oh, no, we say the sacrifice about money.
The people they die when you don't know the people say
money they go with blood.
So you dey sacrifice human being.
I know they kill.
You know they kill, but whatever they do, no, somebody in soul they perish.
That one there, how the money go come there, and no be me how they go do them. Anyhow it go mean, anyway it go be. That one there, the money me at the here.
Charlie, we for be careful, oh. The life inside we dey, people they do things.
So if you do your normal job, where you see some boys they push machine, they go, they come out. My guy, make you never I read them or think say they make them. What they go through in life, you know, I swear, you have no idea. You have no idea. If you have any idea, like C0ff, you go tell them, say, God should forgive them.
Yeah.
But they don't know what they are doing.
You see, sometimes you the boys finish school and things, Charlie, them buy ref, then do this way. You know, they class, you go see, say, Charlie, then time C0ff, now you shall bring past them.
Pass them.
But now, Charlie, life, they go on better give them.
Yeah. If I not say, overtaking is allowed anywhere.
Okay.
But some overtaking there, they lead you to your grave. You understand?
Yeah.
Like the way you drive. You go do some overtaking. You go save life. But some overtaking there, you go carry life to the wrong place. Have you understand?
Yeah.
So always I tell boys, the youth, the upcoming generation, the big boys in the game, where they stay the fraud, they stay the follow this game. The game may not be easy like that too. You know, say go there, computer and back now, you enter now, kick, now the money come over. They sacrifice the things you go do. Some things you go, some place you go to pass before you go to see even $500,000 US, $1 million and things. My guy, you know, be small things. And after making all that money, still the society know they respect you. They respect, they forgive you, they don't give you. What you go do right now? Bro, it be something if I make the youth understand, say,
Yeah.
fraud money, you know, they last. Fraud money, no, they last. Fraud property, no, they last. It's better you go find yourself a good job, a good work, and do. Sweat. Make that sweat fall ground. Make it grow. Because the Bible said to us, we go sweat. Man for sweat before you do what? Chop. So, me always at the time, my boys, people they call me all the time. Chairman, they give we stop. How we go survive? My guy, if you want car, you get her, sell them. Price for business, they do what? They do. Cut your, the cost. How they live life. We those time, every time we did sales bridge. If I can't sell bridge, that was 2005, 2006. I not sport car, they sport block. But I know they come out again. Because if you come out, if you carry money, come out. What they get to, you see them, if you do action, for do so. All those things, money no, they how you go fit do.
Charlie.
So if I just do what? Forget about everything, they move on. Right now, if I get 1,000 Ghana cedis, I manage them. Sure, I manage them. Woman self, if I give you 500 Ghana cedis or 200 Ghana, 50 Ghana cedis, I think twice. But first, I will buy car the dash. I will chop girl one time, give you like maybe 10,000, 200 million, take out. I sign my check, sign your what you go, I beg. All those things, you know, go do again. Because the money no day. So if you follow your level, say I go stay the push, I go stay the follower, my guy, you go die. Early age, where no use, your mommy, your papa will get any benefit for your top. They will even regret bringing you to the world. The money they spend on your education, the food you chop, the trouble you cause, so many things you do in life. So always the youth know, therefore no say, selling pure seller self, he get blessing pass fraud boy, he dey push J1.
Yeah. I feel you.
Pure water seller, he get future past fraud boy, he dey put private jets. Me, I dey tell you today.
It be me say, I mean, this is not coming from a pastor, a motivational speaker. Like, this is coming from somebody who has been there and done that. Charlie, Abusuah, thank you so much. Like, you make a talk English self. Like, it be me say you can't show top where you talk your mind. Like, it be me where you can't show top again. I dey beg you, if I pass through again, this time around there, I go talk to my director, like, boys for day there. You understand? So them what they go ask you the questions
me my wish be say the boys go understand and stop.
Yeah.
So anything concerning about this game is educative.
Yeah.
Some they take, some they think twice. Because right now plenty of the boys, my level change. The money no they come again.
Yeah.
They are into hard drugs, codeine and things. Because the money no they come, if they do stupid things and things, follow back and things. If I see someone, I feel pity give them. Some say we say we bring them for the game inside.
Yeah.
But rather say they can't tell junkie.
Oh, Charlie.
Because the mind not there again.
The mind not there. The mind for day.
The mind not there again. You chop the money, the money they come again. What you go do again?
Charlie.
So we pray to God, say the youth of our generation go understand what we talk.
Yeah.
Then back off, find some job do. I beg there's some school go. If M0ney, mobile money say they do for one side. My guy, God will bless you hustle. God will bless you. Anything you go do, my guy, God will bless you.